Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix the 0xc0000417 error when launching games on Windows. But before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button. Or alternatively, you can also comment down below on our videos about your problem. And just don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve. Number 1. Check your game installation. In platforms like Steam or Epic Games, you can do this by right-clicking on the game in the library by selecting Properties. Now from there, navigate to the Local Files tab, and from there, just click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Number 2. Update your application. For this, check that you have the most recent version of the application that is causing this error. Number 3. Install Windows Update. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date with the latest updates and patches. Number 4. Update your graphic drivers. Outdated or faulty graphic drivers can cause this error. For this, visit the website of a graphic card manufacturer to download the latest driver. Or alternatively, you can also do this by this step. Number 5. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. The Windows Memory Diagnostic tool is a built-in program in Windows that allows you to examine the memory/RAM of your computer for this error. Number 6. Turn off core isolation. For this, in the Windows search bar, type core isolation app and just select it. Now in the core isolation app, make toggle off for memory integrity. Number 7. Check for malware. Malware and viruses can also cause error. To check for issue, conduct a complete computer scan using an authorized antivirus or anti-malware tool. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.